container vessels from Rotterdam and Antwerp, freight trains all over Switzerland, trucks from across the entire country. They all converge here at the Port of Switzerland. When the navigable section of the Rhine ends, goods continue their journey by rail and road. With its 3 ports in the Basel area, the Rhine is Switzerland's only connection to the sea, and thus its link to global freight shipping routes. At the sites in Basel, Beersfelden, and Muttenz, the ports cover a total of 158 hectares of land and water. Moorings for freight vessels, container terminals, cranes, railway facilities, and a direct link to the European road network. Switzerland's only domestic port is an important intersection in the freight transport corridor between the North Sea and the Mediterranean, a linchpin of the economy. Around 6 million tons of freight pass through here annually, increasingly in containers. 1 of every 4 containers in Switzerland is transported by ship, transshipped at the Port of Switzerland, and forwarded by train or truck. Over 60% of shipped goods are transported by train, a European record. The further development of this trimodal transport hub with ships, trains, and trucks is one of the Port of Switzerland's main tasks. A big part of goods transported across the globe arrive at their final destination in containers. Sufficient transport capacities on the Rhine and increasingly efficient terminals in the future will increase the importance of the ports for transport. The Port of Switzerland provides space and infrastructure to 80 logistics companies with over 3,000 jobs in the Basel region for the transfer of goods. This guarantees the port's status as an attractive local and national economic hub. The Port of Switzerland is responsible for a number of different tasks during daily operations. The entire shipping traffic is monitored from the Traffic Control Center. The Navigation Police patrols the waterways and ensures order and security for freight and passenger vessels. With its eco-vessel, the Bibo Regio, the Port of Switzerland provides a service that protects the environment, pumping out the bilge and proper disposal of hazardous waste. Onshore electrical connections for docked cruise vessels can be used instead of the onboard diesel generators, reducing CO2 emissions. Today, air and water quality are so high that a unique biotope was able to develop in the ports. The Port of Switzerland also guarantees the supply of goods at a national level. For example, enough oil, grain, and fertilizer for several months are stored in silos and tanks to make available to Swiss citizens in emergency situations. Close international cooperation among the Upper Rhine ports increases the importance of domestic shipping. This cooperation revolves around the port's digital infrastructure. The Port of Switzerland, the country's gateway to international trade, essential for the Basel region, Switzerland, and Europe.